Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're going to be trying something brand new. We're going to be making some vanilla ice cream. First what we want to do is pour some half and half into a bowl. Come on, finish up. Sorry, I didn't know it'd take this long. And then you're going to put some milk into the bowl, 2 cups of milk, or 1 pint. I'm recording this on my phone, so I'm sorry for the bad quality. And then you're going to pour 3/4 cup of sugar, if I can remember that correctly. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then 1/3 of vanilla, I think. I hope that's right. Anyway. So then you're going to whisk it all together. You're going to whisk it all together. Come on, Will. You don't need to... Okay, so... sorry if this looks bad. The first time doing a voiceover and stuff. Oh, we're done. No, we're not done. Okay, so first time doing a voiceover into my closet, and yeah. Come on, you're almost done. Okay, I don't know why I have to treat you like a dog. Anywho, so sorry if the volume is going like hitting the top, but yeah. Is he almost done yet? I don't know. Anyway. So yeah, I know that it's gonna be kind of weird not having Chris in it. So okay, now we're gonna check it for consistency. We're gonna check it for like chunks and stuff. Hand that over to my mom. Make sure it's not wet, because we washed it before this, actually. Yeah, I know, yeah, it's kind of surrounding. Oh, doesn't have any chunks. Gonna wipe it on my apron. Okay. So then, dropped the spoon. Wow. Okay, then you're gonna put it in the freezer for about 30 minutes, and then come back to it. Okay. So put it in the machine. Don't spill it. Come on. Don't spill it. You spill it. I swear to God. Will. Okay. Spilled it. It's fine. We'll just cut it and it'll go away. I said we'll cut and it will go away. We'll cut and it will go away.
Is it still
Oh, here we go. Here's a cut. Okay, so I'm going to put the parts together in the ice cream machine. We're going to put the top on. And let's hope the machine doesn't break. Okay, I think our machine just, like, started twisting itself, I guess. Like a drill in a bad socket. So, yeah. Sorry if I'm breathing really hard. Yeah, I have to hold that down. Okay, and then you bring it back up. I don't know where you just put it. Yeah, put it in the freezer for like amount of time it takes to walk, and then take apart your machine very slowly, hand it over to your mother, and then you're gonna hand it over, and then taste it. Okay. Well, this is where I end the video. Thanks everybody for watching. Hope you liked the video. If so, hit that like button down below, and if you feel so, hit the bell notifications and subscribe. Thank you everybody, and I hope you enjoy your ice cream. I'm gonna try it 3 times. Alright, good. Yeah. Anyway, if you feel free to leave a comment. It's a judgment-free zone, I guess, as they would say. So yeah, bye.